Okay, everyone, don't pull fire alarms unless there is a real fire. Do not pull the alarm unless there is a real fire in the building. If you pull the fire alarm for fun in any public building, you are going to get in big trouble. You are going to get fined, and you are going to get arrested. And if it's at school, you are going to get suspended and expelled from school. And if it's at work, you are going to get fired from your job. And if you pull the fire alarm in any public building without a fire or without authorization, you will be kicked out and you will never be allowed to come back. If you have permission to pull the fire alarm for a fire drill or fire alarm system test, that is fine. But if you're just pulling it for fun, that is not okay at all. If you have your own fire alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department, it is fine to pull the fire alarm for those reasons. But never ever pull fire alarms for fun. If there is a real fire, pull the fire alarm because you want to alert people that they have to evacuate the building immediately. And it's going to save their lives. The only times you can pull the fire alarm is if there is a real fire or if you have permission to pull it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that doesn't contact the fire department. But if it's not for those reasons, do not pull it. Bye.